Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video, and today I am going to be coloring my hair and also molding after color. So the dye that I'm using today is this Renew in #1 in black. So I just picked up this one from Clicks and it was about 65 rand, so it was super affordable. So in here there's a color which looks like this, and then there's a developer which looks like this, and there's also a conditioner which I don't know if I will use, and there's some gloves and like a little instruction booklet. I don't really read instructions. I've been using Renew hair colors for quite some time, so I know how they work, but this is like a new one that I've never seen this ones before. I normally see the ones with like a half face, so these ones are the new ones, and they're infused with like 3 natural oils. So there's like Brazil nut oil, palm oil, and bobo oil. So we'll see how it works, but I mean, a hair color is a hair color, especially like a black one. So I always like to color my hair with a black color because it makes it fuller. Like as you can see now, I don't really have a lot of hair. My hair is like more towards the finer texture, so I like to color my hair black, and then it gives it a little bit of volume. So first I'm going to put on some gloves. I like to use the latex gloves because they don't slide off, unlike these little things that come with a dye for free. So just putting on my gloves, and now I'm going to mix the color and the developer into my mixing bowl. So I'm taking my I definitely need to get a new brush. I always forget to get these things, so I'm taking like the back end of my brush. I'm just going to mix everything together. So now that everything is mixed together, I'm just gonna go ahead and start applying on my hair. and comb out my mold. I'm just gonna leave my hair like this for now. And yeah, so this is like the final look. I'm actually loving the little waves in the front. I didn't really do a lot, but it kind of looks nice. So yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.